Hey there, this is Peyton here with Profit Daylight, and on this video I'm going to install Elementor on a website, and I'm going to also show you how to install Elementor Pro, and we're going to go through some features that one has and the other one doesn't have, and the full comparison between Elementor, the basic version, and the Pro version. So let's get started right away. So on this website, I do not have Elementor installed. All I need to do is actually go over to the left side where it says plugins and hit add new. When that comes up, I'm going to type Elementor. I'm going to type Elementor and it's going to come up with several options. But the one I really want is the one that says Elementor Page Builder by Elementor. Now remember that Elementor is a plugin that it's actually a page builder, but it's a plugin. So we are going to go ahead and install this. I hit install now and it's installing. It says installed and activate. Yeah, I'm going to activate it. And it's going to now take me to a page. It says welcome to Elementor. Is basically a welcome video.
Hi all, welcome to Elementor. I'm Ziv, and in this video I'll show you the first step of building a page for your website with Elementor.
Great. So I can actually watch the full guide if I want. It's going to take me to their website where they have tutorials and information. So you can go ahead and do that if you wish, but I'm going to go back to my website, and on the left side, now it says Elementor. It did not say Elementor before. And one of the things that it says is Go Pro. So it's prompting me to upgrade Elementor to the paid version, which on this website, I'm not going to do it. I have Elementor on another website. Now, one of the things you want to do in order to upgrade to Elementor Pro, if you come back over to the plugin side and you look at the installed plugins, you will see that you have Elementor, but do not remove that Elementor because you will need that. This one that says Elementor, it says Go Pro. You need to have this one here in order to get the Pro version. So that is all there is to it in installing the basic version of Elementor. Now, to install the paid version of Elementor, what you'll have to do is click on Go Pro. When you click on Go Pro, you will end up on their website, and there you can pay for Elementor Pro. You can also do that by going to the link in the description of this video. It will take you to their website where you can purchase a plan for Elementor. Quick disclosure, yes, I am an affiliate for Elementor, which means that in case that you purchase, I will get a small commission from the sale. So I have already installed Elementor Pro on another website, so I'm going to walk you through the installation a different way. Nevertheless, again, if you want to upgrade to Elementor, you will either click on the link in the description of this video or come here inside, go inside your plugin section and hit Go Pro. Now, on your website, you'll need to download a zip file. So let's see how that works. Steps to install Elementor Pro. So this is a video that you can find on their channel on YouTube. You can also insert or write steps to install Elementor Pro on Google and you will get this video. This video belongs to Elementor. All right, so let's see exactly how to get Elementor Pro installed since I already have Elementor Pro installed on that other website.
The plugin. So now I click on the download plugin button and the zip file instantly downloads to my computer. Next, I head over to my site's WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, add new, upload plugin. Choose File, and I choose the zip file that I've just downloaded. Install now, and activate. Now once it's activated, on the top of my site's dashboard, I should get a message telling me to activate my license key. Activating it will enable me to get automatic updates for the plugin. To do so, I go over to my account page and copy the license key that is displayed right here. So we'll copy it. And then I'll head back to the dashboard. I could click on the direct link or go to Elementor License and paste here the license key. Click Activate. Now, if the license key is installed correctly, the message on the top of my dashboard should disappear. And it did. If you are having issues with activating your license key, check to see that you haven't copied any spaces or other characters. For any other issues, you can contact our support team through the Elementor plugin support page. You could find the link in the description below. Great, you've successfully installed Elementor Pro, and now you can enjoy the sweetest, most advanced and web designer-oriented way to design your WordPress.
Okay, so that's the way to get Elementor Pro installed. Now going back to the website where I have Elementor, the free version, I just want to cover this between the menus. Basically, one of the changes between Elementor, the basic version, and Elementor Pro is that with the Pro version, you can save your own templates and you can create your own theme. So if I look on the menu on the left, I'm just hovering over Elementor. I see I have settings, role manager, tools, system info, getting started, get help, custom fonts, custom icons, and Go Pro. If I come under templates and I go to theme builder, it is going to prompt me in some way to install Elementor Pro, because on the free version I cannot install, I cannot create themes. So let me just see what happens here. Theme builder. So it says get theme builder. Theme Builder is the industry-leading all-in-one solution that lets you customize every part of your WordPress theme visually: header, footer, single archive, and WooCommerce. Go Pro. So it's actually telling me to go Pro. Now, if I go over to the website where I already have Elementor installed, Elementor Pro installed, and I go to templates, Theme Builder, I already have several things installed on this one, but it's not going to prompt me to upgrade because I already have Elementor Pro installed on this one. All right, so that's one of the main differences. And let's just go into the page builder. So on the left side, let's just do the easy way. I'm just going to add a new post, and I'm going to select to edit with Elementor. And this is on the website where I have only the basic version of Elementor. So these are some of the differences that you will see. It's actually loading because it's the first time I've been into Elementor on this website. We have just recently installed Elementor. So this is a website that I have with a product that I'm not necessarily promoting right now, but that's a product that I also promote. And here on the left, I have these options. I have basic, I have pro, general, site, WooCommerce, and WordPress. So under basic, these are the elements that I can include into whatever creation or page that I'm building or post that I am building. Pro includes these, but obviously I cannot use them because I have not upgraded to Pro. It has a padlock, which means that I will have to purchase the upgraded version. So if I go under General, I can also use those under General. And if I go under Site, I cannot use those under Site. I cannot use the search form. I cannot use post comments. I cannot use none of these under Site because it belongs to the Pro version. And on the WooCommerce, I cannot use those either. None of those on the WooCommerce. And on the WordPress, yep, I can use those on the WordPress, whether it's a gallery, audio, archives page, whatever on the WordPress. So that's basically one of the differences. Now I'm going to do the same on the other website where I already have Elementor Pro installed. I'm going to add new, and it's going to be a little quicker on this one because I already have Elementor Pro installed. So I'm going to select edit with Elementor. I also have Thrive Architect on this website, but I'm going to select to install to build that page with Elementor Pro. So once it loads up on the left, I also have basically the same options: basic, Pro, general, site, single, WordPress, and that's another offer which I am promoting. And here, if I go under the Pro version, I can use all of these features. It does not have the padlock. And if I go under site, which is also a feature from the Pro version, I can also use it. If I go under single, I can also use those options. Now let's just go ahead and quickly verify if there are any differences between Elementor Free and Elementor Pro, which there are definitely. This one here, the first one, is drag and drop editor without code. And that's basically this page where I have a builder. So I can build pages without any code here. All I have to do is to drag a button here. And I can also come back to the main section here and I can drag a title. And now I can drag my title above my button. I can come back here and I can insert video. I'm just doing, you know, very basic things. So that is exactly what it means by a drag and drop editor without code. So it does include that in the free version. The majority of the options under free are not included, but fortunately, those that are included are very powerful. Not powerful enough like the Pro version, but you can do a lot of things only with the free version. So the other one that is included is mobile editing, 100% responsive. That is included with the free version. And the reason for that is that if you want to ensure that your site is being is responsive on mobile devices, you can come on the lower part of the left pane and you can select the responsive mode. When you do that, you will get three options. One is desktop, one is tablet, and one is mobile. So if you select mobile, you can make sure or ensure that the items or the elements that you have placed here are seen well when you're on mobile. And if you edit them, it shall affect the mobile way that you will be seeing your website. So only on mobile devices. Now, if you do any changes on tablet, it will affect those tablet devices and obviously desktop. That's the main part. So that is another feature of that is included in Elementor, the basic version. And finally, there is another one here, which is create stunning landing pages using Canvas templates. So those are the three items. And again, these three items are real powerful. You can accomplish a lot only with these three items and Elementor basic. Now, this one about the using Canvas template. What is all about? If I want to create, for example, a completely blank page, like for example here, I already had this a sidebar on my website. I already had a sidebar, I had a title or a header, and perhaps I have a footer somewhere. Yep, I think I have a footer there on that website. So if I am going to create, if I want to create a full canvas, all I have to do with the basic version is come over here to settings and page layout, Elementor canvas, and it's going to give me a full blank canvas without a header, without a footer. And let me just delete the elements here so that you can see it clearly. Those are the elements that I had already put there. Without a header, without a footer, and without the other elements in the middle. So that is that option, the one that says create stunning landing pages using Canvas template. Now, obviously, on the other end, if you want to go with the full version, you will definitely get all the features therein. So that brings to a close this video where we have installed the basic version of Elementor. We have also seen how to install Elementor Pro, and we have done some comparison between the free and the paid version. Again, if you want to get Elementor Pro, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video. So just look out for other videos that I have made about Elementor. I might link them somewhere up here. Just go ahead and look out for those videos. And if you like the content that I am taking out on this channel, just go ahead and subscribe and like my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. So this is Peyton with Profit Date Light, and I want to thank you for watching this video.